Hi, I'm here today with the Dualsense Edge controller. So let's unbox this and see what we get and if it's worth like the extra money that we pay for something like this, of course, compared to like the stock one. If you buy a PS4 or a PS5, sorry, I just switched to the PS5 from the PS4, so a little bit into the PS4 territory still. But if you're into the PS5, then you can get one with one or two controllers. But if you get one with one controller, then you have the option to choose like your new controller. And why would it have to be another stock controller if you can buy this Edge one, Dualsense Edge? So let's put the box right here so you can see it. And then right out of the box, I mean, the unboxing experience is really cool as well. This already is really premium. That's of course something you do pay for a little bit. Then underneath here, you have a little booklet about the Dualsense Edge. And then here is, in very soft material, very well packaged, is the Dualsense Edge with your controller bag. So this is a hard case. Very cool that you get that with a controller. So you can take this to like your friend's house if you're going to play and nothing will happen to your controller. At this price range, you probably would want to keep this safe. So let's open this up. Here is the box. And then here is the controller. Everything is neatly packaged. A space for your controller right there. And then you have like a space for your cable here. So you can take your own cable with you. And then here's the controller also nicely packaged. And then really, really cool. So you have your stick right here. Everything is nicely packaged in like this little silicone space right here. Then you can attach your, you can attach these like your flippers. So you can have flippers there in the back here for your control. So you can customize these keys as well. So you have extra keys right here at the bottom. So these are extra. And then you can attach these flippers here as well. These are extra too. And then you can assign your own controls to that. Or your short keys, for example. And that could be really cool for like fighting games where you need to do a lot of key combinations to do your special move. And then you have your custom caps that you can put on there. So these are round with a little bit of texture on the sides and then slanted inward just a little bit. And you can put these on, which are all the way round if you'd like. So you can change those out. So that's cool. And then it's quite heavy. So I read that you give up a little bit of battery life for those extra features. Let's see if this will turn on right out of the box. So yeah, it does. When you, of course, need to pair this with our console using the USB-C cable for the first time. Then you can control the haptic from the triggers. So now I can just push that just a little bit. And if I turn it all the way up, I can push it all the way down. So you can change how much you want to click on those. So that's really cool. So these are really pro-level controllers with a pro-level price tag, of course. But that is out of the box all the additional things that you get when buying something like this versus like your standard controller. So I think that's really cool. And I hope this video has helped you make a choice.